Hi, to change lock screen of your Xiaomi Redmi 10, as a first step we would need to go in the phone settings and here just search for this wallpaper and personalization section. And now we can customize our lock screen as we want. So you can go in the lock style first just by tapping this section. And here you can see this pop-up window about all new personalized lock screen, so you can swipe up to switch between templates, swipe horizontally to view more personalization options, and also you can customize your lock screen to make it truly yours. Let's tap the start button, and this is my current lock screen. We can also tap this button to customize it, add some filters, customize the date and time. For example, we can change the color or font of the date and time and tap the done button to save the changes. And now let's just swipe up to check all of the options. So this is the classic themes. You can just scroll through them to find the perfect match for you, and also you can customize them as well. And here we got this beautiful section which I personally really like, so let's select something from this section. For example, I want to select this one. Let's just tap the button to apply, and now let's check how lock screen will look. And yeah, this is our new lock screen. Also, you can go back in this settings section. Let's just return back in these settings, select wallpaper, and we can select something from those tabs too: editor, speaks, new, and system wallpapers. Just select any option, select button to apply, and now you can choose to set it as lock screen, as home screen, or both. Let's select lock screen and check the changes. So that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.